In this video, we are going to see how we can use Bitquery API to get top Solana tokens by market cap increase in the last 1 hour. We're going to go to docs.bitquery.io and then navigate to V2 Docs. And in V2 Docs, we will go to L1 chains. After selecting L1 chains, go to Solana and then Solana token supply API page. In the sidebar, you will see this API. Top 10 Solana tokens by the highest market cap increase in last 1 hour. Just click on this here button and it will open the query on the IDE. I will add this API link in the description. You guys will have to sign up on the IDE to get free 10,000 points for the first month for testing purposes. Now let's discuss this query. We are using here Solana token supply updates cube. We are limiting the response to 10 and we are ordering the result in descending order according to this field market cap jump. This is an alias name. And in the where clause, we are putting our filters. So first filter is transaction result success true. That means we only want the transactions which are successful. And then we have also filtered for the block time. So we only want the transactions which are in the last 1 hour, right? Because we are trying to get the top tokens by the market cap increase in the last 1 hour. So we have used this relative time filtering recently, and you can use the sense relative filter now, and you can just mention the time relatively, like 60 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, or something like that. So I've used here relative time filtering, and then in the fields, I am putting here the fields that I need: amount in USD, and pre-balance in USD, and post-balance in USD, and then the currency details. So token supply update basically checks the supply updates. So pre-balance in USD is basically the pre-supply, and the post-balance in USD is the post-supply after this particular supply update. So then the market cap has been changed, right, in this particular transaction. So here we are calculating the market cap jump by using this calculate keyword and then putting here an expression inside the brackets. And the expression will be the algebraic expression that we need to calculate. So we are just using the alias names here. For using the alias names of the fields that you have used in the query, you will need to use the dollar sign here for the alias name. So we are just doing post minus pre divided by pre into 100. That will give us the market cap jump for this particular token. And we are arranging these type of market cap jumps in the descending order. So we will get the top tokens by the market cap increase in the last 1 hour. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.